Rent a Cyberfriend is an app dedicated to helping people connect in a safe and professional space where users can offer advice, share experiences, or simply provide a listening ear. The setup is pretty straightforward. The app is free to download for both iPhone and Android, and signing up requires no upfront costs, making it accessible to anyone interested in becoming a cyber friend. Once signed up, users can create a detailed profile, set their own hourly or per call rates, and even promote their profile across social channels to attract potential callers. This model allows people to monetize their conversation skills or unique insights simply by being present and attentive from anywhere in the world. The platform is careful to stress that this isn't a dating app. Instead, it offers a broad range of topics and reasons for people to reach out. Anything from needing motivation, tackling loneliness, looking for language practice, or even just wanting to chat. Users have the flexibility to adjust their availability status, ensuring they only receive calls when they're actually online and ready. Video calls make the connection feel genuine while maintaining a strict approach to privacy. No private information is shared, and all interactions are processed through the app's secure system. For those hoping to earn real money, Rent a Cyberfriend operates on a commission-based model. The app takes a 20% commission from all earnings, and each withdrawal must be at least $50, with processing taking up to 7 business days. Payments and withdrawals still need to be handled on the website rather than directly in the app for now, which could be a slight inconvenience, especially for anyone relying solely on their phone. One of the major challenges users will face with Rent a Cyberfriend is oversaturation. With so many people signing up to be cyber friends, newcomers can find it difficult to stand out and get the first few calls. Success requires more than just creating a profile. Exposure and bookings often depend on how well the user markets themselves, the uniqueness of what they offer, and the initial pricing strategy. Competition can be intense, which might lead people to lower their rates or put in more work for less, at least while they build up a strong reputation and bank positive reviews. Overall, Rent a Cyberfriend is an innovative way for people to monetize soft skills like empathy, conversation, and advice. It's best suited for those comfortable with a bit of hustle, regularly promoting their page, staying responsive, and flexibly adjusting their rates based on feedback and market demand. On the positive side, the platform emphasizes privacy, offers full control over rates, and gives users the chance to genuinely help others while earning. On the downside, new users may get lost in the crowd, and the combination of the 20% commission and minimum payout could shrink early profits. In summary, Rent a Cyberfriend makes earning money online by helping others feel accessible and potentially rewarding for those who are persistent and proactive. It's great for flexible work and a sense of purpose, but it does come with the real risks of heavy competition, platform fees, and the need for serious effort and self-promotion. Anyone considering it should expect a gradual build and remain mindful that steady earnings aren't guaranteed, especially in such a crowded market.